I'm from the school meeting. It's done. It's currently 3 and it started at 11 a.m. So tired. I love my nails. I love how they turn out. Yeah, so let's go prepare some lunch and call it a day because yeah. I love gloomy days. I love rainy days because the weather is just so calm, enjoyable. Like, because when it's hot, you guys, when it's hot in Naivasha, it's crazy. You can't even take a walk because it's hot, extra hot. Yeah. So I love gloomy days. I love the calmness. The birds are running everywhere. So yeah, it looks like it will rain soon. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Fun thing about Nakuru, these trees. I love these trees, and it's my favorite thing actually in Rift Valley. These trees and the lakes. The lakes are like how many? I don't know, but I love the lakes and these trees. Hey Crescents, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing time wherever you are. Whew, in case you don't know me, I'm Crescent Philly. Hi, nice to meet you. Welcome to the farm. And yeah, in this vlog, guys, I've been sharing with you random foods I've been eating in random days and some random cooking sessions. And yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying them. And another thing, guys, is that I'm thinking of straightening my hair, blow drying my hair, and it scares me so much because I don't know if it's a problem, but my scalp itches me a lot, and I have not found anything that's helpful to my scalp. So that scares me a lot when it comes to straightening my hair. And I don't remember the exact last day or month that I did my hair, blow dried my hair, and I think it has to be 2023, at the beginning of 2023, because it's not 2024. Yeah, it has to be 2023. And I'm thinking of doing that this year. Yeah, for the first time, maybe in 2 years. Because if I remember well, it was in either January 2023. So that makes it 2020. Oh, that makes it 2 years because it's now March 2025. So if I decide to do that, guys, I will take you with me in the next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. Subscribe if you haven't, and join the Crescents farm.